Okay, ready?
Yep.
And go. We make solar energy systems to make substantial amounts of electricity and heat water for buildings. On the left-hand side, you can see one of our systems. This rendering shows our three core technologies: a mirror that concentrates light up to 1,000 times, a tracking system that follows the sun, and on the very end here is a small photovoltaic panel that collects that concentrated sunlight and turns it into substantial amounts of electricity. We also remove that heat to make heat for the building's water system. My name is Steve Mazer, and we are morphoptics. And next slide. So in the last 5 years in the solar industry, I have been on hundreds of rooftops here in Hawaii. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to offer something to the majority of our customers. Sorry, it skipped a slide. This is really annoying. Sorry. The limitations of conventional PV. This building has 376 modules and only makes a small fraction of the building's energy using the best solar panels that are available on the market today.
I don't think it's the range as much as the delay in your computer responding.
Yeah. Well,
So
see, it just
slipping.
skipped. Our system can create almost 4 times as much value as conventional PV can on a limited roof space. And the way we do that is by concentrating the light and by removing that heat to heat water directly in the building's water system. As you can see, up to $320,000 of value on a 100 square meter roof versus $72,000 from a conventional PV system. Further, our system is easy to upgrade and easy to install. So how do we do this? How is this possible, and why isn't anyone else doing that? The reason is we figured out a way to make these mirrors at a much lower cost, at a fraction of the weight than any other companies, and we have a patent on this process to create these mirrors. And that mirror is really what gives us an unfair advantage in the renewable energy industry and allows us to make so much more power and deliver that energy at a cost lower than other renewable energy systems can. Looking at the industry today, there are various types of solar technologies. However, none of them are able to harness as much of the energy in sunlight as we are. We're able to capture up to 75% of that energy. Further, we're able to use the heat to directly offset the energy used to heat water in a building. And that allows us to have a higher value solution for buildings in urban areas where roof space is limited. And who better to do it than a team of physicists working on some of the most advanced telescopes in the world. They're using those same core technologies that they've developed to apply to a renewable energy system. And that is it. And I think I went over because the slides are stuck.
How long was it?
It was 3.5 minutes, but I think, yeah. We didn't have some of those sliders.